here with you, and today I'm here for an unboxing, and it's from Onedaysaving, and you will find all the information regarding what I got in the description box below. And I'm thinking that you're gonna love this. I hope as much as I do that you will love the choices that I made. I'm sure you'll understand the choices that what I chose. So, in thinking with Halloween, but also with the fact that I just love skulls, I just do. Check this out. It's a bag. Isn't it fun? I just love it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So, it comes with the instructions. And it's luminous. So, how cool is that? Oh, I can't wait to do it. And so you've got the little beads here, and everything that you need to do this. It's just so precious. I can't wait. Okay, and then this one too is amazing. They're all amazing. Let's just say that. So this one has some of my favorite type of characters. Check it out. Looks exactly like Skellington. And these are all little keychains, but you could attach them to notebook, like one of those covers, notebook covers, if you wanted. So there's that. And then we have a super fun sign. See how cool is that? And it has a little thing to hold it. So for Halloween, I just thought it was adorable. It would be so pretty on a door. Like a bedroom door or something. So there's that. You can see I'm in the Halloween spirit, like big time. Not decorating this year because of all the stuff that I've got to do, but I will still be playing with these. Because sometimes you just need to play a little bit. That's what you need to do. And then we have these guys, and these are all Halloween stickers. How cute! And I thought these could be used on top of cards and would be super fun. Check these out. Oh my god, I love them. I love them so much. So fun. So fun. Now I want to play with these because I would love to make cards with them. So I think I might just do that. And do a little video of a fast forward video of me doing this and playing, so that I can use these the next time around in my card making video. Halloween stuff. Okay, so anyway, these are all the wonderful items that I got. I can't wait to know which one is your favorite, and you will see me play with these for sure. I'm thinking, like, right now I'm gonna go and start another video and play with these so that I can actually use them up in upcoming videos. So love you guys, see you soon, and don't forget to go and check the description link below for all the wonderful products. They always come out with new ones. I really love this company, so go and check them out. Bye.